IL-2 is a natural substance made by the immune system, and one of its main roles is actually to promote a cell population called regulatory T cells, and these cells are very critical to make sure normally that you don't respond against your own tissue, which is what happens in type 1 diabetes. And what we're most excited about is that we're really trying to engage sort of the natural mechanisms of the immune system, and we're not doing what has been typically done, which is just to broadly turn off the immune system.
So we're working to launch a clinical trial in type 1 diabetes with low-dose IL-2 therapy, again with the goal of promoting the immune regulation and controlling the autoimmune disease that causes type 1 diabetes. So the trial will enroll patients who have type 1 diabetes. We believe that we're going to enroll patients who have had diabetes up to 1 year since their diagnosis, which is a little bit different than what is done in most clinical trials, where enrollment is limited to about 3 months from diagnosis. And that is in recognition that many patients continue to produce insulin even after the initial 3 months, and therefore there is opportunity that they could actually also benefit from this therapy. The studies that Dr. Klatzmann has done in Europe, they're very important because they've established two important aspects for a clinical trial.
So far, a couple of clinical trials have been performed by us, but also by others. And the interesting thing is that first they all showed that the drug is very safe and very well tolerated, and this is important because many drugs in development are stopped because of safety issues. So that's a very good point. We've even documented a very good safety profile in children. Also, what we have documented well is the fact that the molecule does what we expect it to do, which is to really stimulate this population of regulatory T cells, Treg, expand and stimulate. So that's at least the first goal we wanted to achieve, and this is a very robust finding. We've tested that across multiple autoimmune disease, including type 1 diabetes.